Welcome, today in front of me NUBIA Red Magic 5S, and I'll show you how to hide developer options on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then scroll down to the advanced settings. If the developer options are activated, you will see the developer options section here. So click here once, and now just to hide the developer options you should click here only once on the swatcher, and now you can see that all of the options they are blocked. And when we'll go back, we can see that the developer options section is gone, so that means that we just successfully hide them. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.